Be careful, these things can reach speeds of 3. Are we stopping again? Are we really? Or are we just going so slow I can't tell?
Oh, my motherfucking Christ. That's it. I'm stopping the car again.
Again! I thought that was it. I thought they were going to go. Was that a little... Did it kind of a little bit move? No. And
I
just
know snails that are faster than this speeding train.
Oh my lord.
In the race between the Malaysian trumpet snail and the Dakota, Minnesota and Eastern train, which one wins?
Malaysian trumpet snail. That's no question. Go, you scum.
Tito, can you say scum? You can't?
I guess he's not talking to you.
Because you think I'm scum.
Damn.
It's your mommy scum.
Move. Oh, they're doing the revving up the engines thing. Last time, they moved a whole car width.
Not even this time.
Wait, there's still a little bit. Oh. Matt, if you're gonna go before you start going, I expect you to fucking go when it happens.
Come on, you slow motherfucker.
Oh, look at that. You can see the lights of people that are getting to move. Bastards. Oh, we are so behind this thing.
Come on, train.
Look at those bastards over there. They get to do things. They're going places. They're buying their gas and beer and someday.
And bath salts. We're gonna be
The
attacked
bath
by
salts.
Bath salt zombie face eaters at this intersection.
Probably. I'm probably gonna grow old and die here. Oh! This is nice. At least we're getting to spend time together.
Will we be celebrating the baby's 2nd birthday at this intersection?
Yes. And all of his birthdays forevermore.
Here, I thought it was going to be dinosaur themed again. Trains is the theme, I guess.
I hate trains. Oh, look, you can kind of see in through there, in through that crack. Some people get to go. They're moving on with their lives. They aren't even paying attention to this damn train, which is, by the way, fucking 5 cars long. It's just stopped right in front of us.
4 engines and 3 cars.
Okay, 7 cars long.
Those cars must be real heavy if all these engines can't move them.
Why are you doing this to me? Dakota, Minnesota, and Eastern. Why?
Hey, it's Canadian Pacific too. That's the
Yeah. The red one, you can't see it from here. It's Canadian Pacific.
red commie bastards.
Oh my god.
I think it'd be faster if you went up the stairs, down on the other side, and walked to work.
I might. Oh god. Oh, that's their warning. Warning, we might jiggle.
I jiggle more than you jiggle, motherfucker.
Oh, they're moving. Get all excited like this might be the one.
I am in drive.
All right. Oh, it's happening. This is, by the way, every car. 2. Get ready for 3.
Oh boy, 3.
3.
Here comes 4. Look, they unhooked the actual cars. Now it's just 4.
Oh, that's what they were doing. Oh, that took forever. In movies, you like pull a little pin.
In movies, the trains go faster.
Yeah, they are generally moving. Okay.
I have to wait for the lights to turn off.
Okay. Oh, Lord. I didn't even start filming till like halfway through that. 9/11 was an inside job.